Ready to ditch that pile of plastic and embrace the future of mobile connectivity? Today, we're diving into how to convert your physical Mint Mobile SIM card into an Esim, all in under 90 seconds. First, head over to the Mint Mobile website or use the Mint Mobile app and locate their customer support options. You can typically find these under Contact Us or a similar heading, often at the bottom of the screen. The easiest and fastest way to convert your SIM to Esim is through their online chat. Start a conversation with a Mint Mobile representative and inform them that you'd like to convert your physical SIM to an Esim and confirm the phone model you are using is Esim compatible. They will ask some verification questions to confirm it's really you requesting this change. Once verified, the Mint Mobile representative will provide you with an Esim activation code and instructions on how to install the Esim profile on your phone on an iPhone. This usually involves going to Settings. Then Cellular or Mobile Data. Android phones have a similar setting under Connections or Network and Internet, and then you can go to SIM Manager. Sometimes, instead of an activation code, Mint Mobile will send you a QR code. Go to download this with your mobile settings. Then manually enter the details or scan the QR code to activate your Esim. Please note you will need a Wi-Fi connection while you download this. And that's it. Once the Esim profile is installed, your Mint Mobile service will be activated on your phone using the digital SIM. You can now remove your physical SIM card. Enjoy the convenience of an Esim on Mint Mobile.